Hey guys, this is Geethanjali. In the previous video, we learned about the various factors that affect Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, and in this video, we'll be learning one of the types of the factor. So genetic drift, as I told in the previous video, has two kinds. That is the founder effect and bottleneck effect. So talking about founder effect, so this founder effect, it happens randomly by chance. So when gene migration happens randomly by chance, we call it genetic drift, and this founder effect basically refers to when a small part of the population or a group of individuals gets separated from the original population and they establish a new population in the new environment. So let us say we have this original population, or we can say the mother population. From this, we take few individuals and move them to another medium. Now, you will notice that there is a change in the allele frequency of this population, and there is a change in the allele frequency of this new population, because previously there was no population at all. Now there's population. So we can call this a change too, right? And here also previously there was this mother population and few genes were detected. So there's a change in this population too. So this also occurs by chance. For example, let us say there was a population of wolves, okay? So there were many wolves in one particular forest, and there was a river which separated the forest from a far apart mountain range. So let us say there was a population of wolves over here, okay? Different kinds of wolves. So one day, few wolves crossed this river by mistake, and they went far away and reached the mountain range. As they got lost from their original place, that is the forest. And let us say for some reasons they couldn't get back, and this new group of wolves started living in the mountain range itself. Now you can say that here a new population has started, and here there's a change in the population. So these new wolves are going to start the species here which was not present before. So they basically act as founders for this particular area. So that is why it is called founder effect.